Hey there, kids! Today, I'm going to teach you some fun and interesting antonyms. These words have the same beginning, but different endings. So, let's find out what they mean and practice our antonym skills. 1. Happy, sad. Happy means feeling joyful and cheerful, while sad means feeling unhappy and downcast. Remember, it's all about the feelings, not the actions. 2. Big, small. Big means much larger than usual, while small means little or tiny. Just think of how big or small something really is. 3. Fast, slow. Fast means moving quickly and in a hurry, while slow means moving slowly and gently. These words are opposite, just like the race car going in opposite directions. 4. Rough, clean. Rough means not smooth or polished, and clean means neat and tidy. So, think of when something is really dirty, and then when it's really clean. 5. Light, dark. Light means having visibility and clarity, while dark means not seeing or having darkness. Just like when the sun is shining and we can see, and when it's raining and everything is in the dark. So there you have it, kiddos. These antonyms will help you understand the opposite words better. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep exploring these awesome concepts.